Let me show you how to make mango ice cream at home. This mango ice cream recipe is creamy, fruity, and super easy to make. You do not need an ice cream maker, and you do not need eggs or condensed milk either. Just a few simple ingredients, and you will have a delicious summer treat that tastes like sunshine in a bowl. Take 3 medium-sized mangoes. Ripe mangoes are best because they are softer, sweeter, and easier to cut and blend into a smooth ice cream base. If your mangoes are not very ripe, you can still use them, but taste the mango first. If it is not sweet enough, the ice cream may need a little more sweetness later. Cut the mango pieces off from around the seed. Keep your knife close to the seed as you cut, so you get as much fruit as you can without wasting the sweet mango. Once you have the mango pieces cut, hold them over a bowl and scoop out the soft, juicy mango flesh with a spoon. If there is still some mango stuck to the skin or around the seed, scrape that off too and add it to the bowl. That extra bit is full of flavor, so do not leave it behind. Once I did not have a fresh mango, so I used frozen mango pieces instead, and it still worked really well. I just let them soften a little first, then blended them the same way. The flavor was still sweet and fruity, and the ice cream came out really creamy. Even a thick mango puree might work for this ice cream, but I have not tried it myself yet, so I would not promise the exact same result. If you do use mango puree, I would choose one that feels rich and concentrated, not thin or watery. That way, the ice cream still has a better chance of freezing creamy instead of icy. Once you have all the mango flesh in the bowl, put it into a blender or food processor. If you do not have a blender, you can use a potato masher instead, but it works best when the mangoes are very ripe and soft. Blend it or mash it up until the mango looks smooth and there are no big chunks left. It should look like a soft mango puree, like you can see in the video here. Next, add 250 milliliters of full-fat fresh cream to the mango puree, which is about 1 cup. Heavy cream is the best choice if you want the creamiest texture, because the richer cream helps the ice cream freeze softer and less icy. If you are using another full-fat cream, try to choose one around 25% to 35% fat, because that still gives the mixture enough richness to work well. Blend everything again until the cream is fully mixed into the mango and the mixture looks creamy and even. Look how smooth and creamy this came out. Honestly, I could just grab a spoon and eat it right now before it even becomes ice cream. Next, add 4 large spoons of milk powder. This helps make the ice cream smoother and less watery. Then add 4 large spoons of sugar, or a little less if your mangoes are already very sweet. Blend everything again until the mixture looks smooth and creamy, just as you see here. Next, take a loaf pan or any freezer-safe container and sprinkle a few finely chopped nuts across the bottom if you want a little crunch in the ice cream. Cashews, almonds, and pistachios all work well here, and you can use just one kind or mix some nuts together. If you want the mango ice cream plain, you can leave the nuts out and add the mango mixture straight to the container. Pour the mango mixture over the nuts, then use a spoon or spatula to smooth the top a little, so it looks nicer once the ice cream is frozen. I like to sprinkle a few more chopped nuts over the top too, just to add a little texture before the ice cream goes into the freezer. You can also add a few small mango pieces on top for more fresh mango flavor. If you want to make it a little more fun, a pinch of shredded coconut, a few white chocolate chips, or even a little drizzle of mango puree would work nicely too. Cover the ice cream with a lid or plastic wrap and put it in the freezer for at least 8 hours, or just leave it overnight. Cover the container well because that helps keep the top from getting icy while the ice cream freezes. Once it feels firm and you can scoop it, the mango ice cream is ready. This mango ice cream is cold, creamy, and really refreshing. It tastes like fresh mango, with enough sweetness to make it feel like a proper dessert without being too much. I like to let it sit out for a minute or two before scooping because it softens a little and the texture gets smoother. If you add chopped nuts on top, you get a nice little crunch with the creamy mango. If you liked this easy mango ice cream recipe, hit the like on the video and check out these other simple ice cream recipes here next. They are easy, creamy, and perfect when you want something cold and sweet.